OBIS, Orion Business Intelligence Stack. All-in-one business intelligence tool, available to you at the click of your button. OBIS combines the power of ETL and visualization, makes your analysis simple and easy to use. Who can use it? Any businesses who would like to improve their performances, reduce their costs, increase their revenue, increase the bottom line. Thus, it works across all forms of businesses: manufacturing, trading, retail, distribution, hospitality, banking, finance, services, and many more. It can be used by all sizes of businesses.
What's in it for me?
Connect to many DB sources: Oracle, MySQL, Hadoop, Redshift, and more. Provide combined output, daily updated information, 360-degree view of any information. You get what you need. Multi-locational, multi-dimensional analysis. Single company and group company views. Target versus actual. Current year versus previous year. Drill down details.
Do you have any more?
Deployable in cloud, as well as on premises. Faster deployment with our standard dashboards. Customized dashboards. Self-service BI.